Hello everyone, welcome back to Pet Labs. In this video we are going to check out the top 5 best dry cat foods. Okay, so let's get started with the list. Starting at number 5, we have the Rachael Nutrish Natural Dry Cat Food. You in reality wouldn't expect movie star chef and TV persona Rachael Ray to do properly in puppy nutrition. However, ever because the established order of its Nutrish brand of pet food, it has slowly climbed the scores within the global of pet meals. Whether that is due to the pull of her superstar status or now not, you could bet the Nutrish Natural Dry Cat Food merits to be referred to on this list of professional and truthful cat meals brands. What Nutrish guarantees is the absence of cereal grains in its formulation, making you feel extra assured and safer about the hypersensitive reactions that might befall your puppy. Check out the description for more information about this product and latest price. Moving on at number 4, we have the Hill's Science Diet Adult Indoor Cat Food. Hill Science Diet's indoor dry cat food boasts of nicely balanced vitamins for kitties. Its components places real chicken as its primary source of protein and fats, whilst the addition of fish oil actually means that it has sizable quantities of EPA and DHA for anti-inflammatory and anxious machine fitness, respectively. If there may be one element that you is probably cautious of with this cat food brands, that would be its allergenic grain content. Hill Science Diet's indoor cat food unfortunately consists of wheat gluten, soy, and corn, which may be a serious concern for those pet dad and mom who are wary about puppy hypersensitive reactions. At number 3, we have the Blue Buffalo Blue for Catch Adult Dry Cat Food. Clearly deserving a spot in our list of the 10 quality dry cat ingredients is this kibble from Blue Buffalo. Blue for Catch Adult Dry Cat Food enjoys the accept as true with an amazing quantity of pussycat puppy proprietors because of its remarkable array of taste selections and clinical functions. It generally is available in unmarried meat protein assets like chicken, salmon, and turkey, or a mixture of the three and brought with brown rice. In addition to this healthful wholesome grain, Blue Buffalo additionally consists of natural greens to help offer the cat food with an incredible profile of herbal antioxidants, minerals, and nutrients, which are packed right into a proprietary generation Blue Buffalo calls Life Source Bits. At number 2, we have the Wellness Complete Health Natural Dry Cat Food. There is no question that Wellness Complete Health Natural Dry Cat Food is one of the 10 first-rate dry cat ingredients within the market, in particular for tomcats that are at excessive danger for the improvement of joint issues, which includes arthritis. One of the main benefits of Wellness Natural is that it consists of chondroitin and glucosamine in its components, affording tomcats the capability to nourish and optimize the fitness of their joints. Wellness Natural has every other huge plus going its manner. And finally, at number 1, we have the Instinct Original Grain-Free Recipe Natural Dry Cat Food by Nature's Variety. If it's a high-protein dry cat meals that you're after, then Nature's Variety Instinct Original Grain-Free Recipe is an excellent preference, as it carries at the very least 43.5%. Mainly for its kitten food variety. This is welcome news for people with kittens of their families, as kittens require extensively higher stages of protein than do grown-up cats. The unique composition of Instinct ensures that more than 4 out of 5 of its substances are based on animal sources, even as the remainder is what constitutes carbs like healthy grains, vegetables, and in the result, it also uses an expansion of novel proteins in its formulations to assist or augment the grain unfastened nature of its layout. Thanks for watching. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any question about this dry cat foods, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.